Alright, what is up everybody? It's Levi with Modern Done Right. Today I'm going to show you how to build a key holder thingy. Not quite sure what to really call it, but it's going to hold keys. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to take this piece of 3/4 thick plywood and run it through a table saw and make some cuts, and hopefully we'll start making some shapes. Now that we have these cut, I'm gonna go ahead and use a table saw to cut a groove out of this board right here, so this one fits into it. So we're gonna get back to cutting. Now that everything's cut, it's time to sand away. Next thing to do is paint the back piece white and then stain the little shelf thingy, the stain color. Next thing I did is I covered it all in painter's tape, drilled the holes, and cut the lines out of the back of it. Once these lines are cut, I'm going to go ahead and install the brass hooks on it. Next thing I'm doing is taping this off, cutting the tape away and staining the grooves, that way they match the stain piece. Now I'm almost done. I'm just going to take the stain piece, painted piece, put them all together, and we're good to go. Now it's all done. From the get-go, I wanted to create a piece that was beautiful, but also you could hang your keys on it, put miscellaneous items on it, and it would complement the room. I'm just really happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, obviously hit the like button. If you want to see more of the stuff I'm making, subscribe. Thank you.